Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you let me know down in the comments how your day is going. Today is Father's Day when I'm filming this, so I'm pretty sure this will go up first. I do have a poll in my community tab, and IPSY was winning by like 1%. So if you see this first, then you know what won by the time that I am filming this. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and also the single mothers. I myself was a single mother until my oldest son was 16 years old. That is when I got married. I met my husband. Well, I knew my husband since high school, but we got together. We started dating the same year we got married. So we started dating in February and we got married that December. So my son will be 24 this year in November. So up until that point, I was a single mom. I had to do both roles, mothers and fathers, a mother and a father. I celebrated Father's Day as well for myself. So I just want to say happy Father's Day, and also the uncles or the role models that help step in. Again, thank you, because I always say it takes a village to raise a child. All right, so if you read my title, we are doing the IPSY versus IPSY. Before I begin, I do have two giveaways going on at the moment. I have a 30K giveaway going on, which I will leave the picture up here. And I do have the another palette, an eyeshadow palette that's valued at $60. I will leave that right here. The only thing that you have to do is be subscribed, because I enjoy giving back to you guys. And don't forget to like this video because it really helps me out. Share the video, because when we get to 35,000, we are going to have 5 winners for our 35,000. So as soon as we get there, if we get there this month, we will have that 35,000 subscriber giveaway. And make sure that your bell is on, because YouTube is acting crazy. They already started a different bell going on now. So now it is where you have all, personalized, or none. And what that means is either you have it on all the time or personalized. What personalized means is they go by, so in other words, if I do beauty videos and unboxing videos, and more of you guys watch my unboxing videos, you may not get notified to my beauty videos, because it's kind of more like personalized, what they think you would like more. So you have to make sure you have it on all, that way you know when I have my giveaways. All right, enough of me jibber jabbing, because that's what I do. And if my look looks a little crazy, I have a video coming up for Pride Month, so I have my little Pride shirt on, which that'll probably be my next video. All right, enough of me babbling. I said that twice, I think. We are doing IPSY versus IPSY. So I started doing this about a year ago, because I would get my IPSY bags and I'm like, this is nothing like I said. So what I do is I do my real age, my real profile. I say that I'm 43, I have dark hair, I have blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then I do the exact opposite. I do a 25-year-old profile, red hair, brown eyes, and it's not that comfortable with makeup. Sometimes I get it right and sometimes they don't. It's like it should be switched. So let's get started. I'm going to do my profile first. So again, I am 43, dark hair, and blue eyes. And this month, I already did my IPSY Plus, which I'll leave it down below. IPSY teamed up with Tetris this month, which oh my God, that brings back so many memories, with the Atari, with the Nintendo 64, with all the older games, Asteroid, Centipede, Ping Pong, I mean, all of that stuff. So Tetris was definitely my game. All right, so anything that I get doubles of, or things I know I won't use, I put it away, and once one of the bags get filled, I have a giveaway. So probably next month will be a giveaway. So make sure, like I said, that you have the bell on. All right, so this was on the outside of the bag. So this is a blending brush. This is the Tetris blending brush. I'm not gonna open this because I did buy the whole collection, and I did show it in the IPSY Plus giveaway. So if you wanna see what that looks like, make sure you watch that video. It will be down below. Since I already have this, I will put that up for a giveaway. And this is the bag. So I believe it came in like 6 different colors you could have got. And look at this, guys. Look at the pieces. This is what it used to look like. Do I have it right? Let's see. Right there. Oh my God. So if you don't know what Tetris is, it's like little blocks with different shapes and you can turn them around and you try to like go as high as you can with the shapes. So that's what this bag looks like. I will definitely be keeping these bags. So this has Tetris right there, and then on this side says IPSY. All right. Okay, so the inside is like pink, and it says Tetris and IPSY on the inside. All right, so now we get like a little card that tells you what everything is in your bag. This is something new that they started, and it doesn't give prices, but it tells you a little bit about each product on here. So that is good. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out is by Vital Vita 12. This is a jelly cleanser right there from Tony Moly. So this is a K-Beauty product, which I love K-Beauty. I do a lot of K-Beauty skincare subscriptions. So again, subscribe and turn that bell on so you know when I do that if you like K-Beauty products. And this just says, we developed an addiction to K-Beauty brands like Tony Moly, line of high quality and super fun products. This gentle jelly cleanser is infused with a multivitamin blend to dissolve makeup, dirt, and other impurities while leaving your skin softer, brighter, and hydrated. All right, so I don't think I've ever tried a jelly cleanser that I can think of. Maybe I had. I think last month in one of my subscriptions there was a jelly cleanser. So there we go. All right, then we got Hey Honey, and I love Hey Honey products. So this is Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. And I don't mind getting skincare. Some people want all like makeup products. I definitely don't mind. The only thing I don't like is to get nail polishes. And this says, Hey Honey infuses the antibacterial and antiseptic benefits of honey and propolis into their products. This pink antioxidant-rich mask is made with vitamin E, wild berry oil, and honey to help protect skin, restore elasticity, and provide long-lasting hydration. Honey is very good for your skin. I say that in a lot of my videos. I am diabetic, so when I get like a scratch, or I have a lot of scars on me, so when I have a scratch or a cut, I don't heal very quickly and can cause an infection. I think it was right here, I had like a little scratch which caused an infection. It was all puffy and red and irritated, and honey really helps with that infection, and it's really good for the skin. So I like that. Yes, yes, yes. All right, what else we got? So this is from Sugar right there. And it says Sugar Cosmetics Contour De Force Mini Blush in 01 Peach Peak. And it says, on the go, anything from Sugar Cosmetics can help you look pulled together in an instant. This lightweight blush is super buildable, so you can go from sheer wash of color to full of flush. What's best? This peachy pink shade works in all skin tones. So let's see about that. That's a big claim to say. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. Oh, that's pretty. So it has this little thing right there. That's really gorgeous. Let's do a swatch. Oh, that's pretty. It's nice and like buttery, if you guys can see. Oh, that's pretty. I think I'm going to try it on. I already have a blush on right now, but I don't know. I mean, my blush is like there. So let's just see. Oh, let's just see. So it's not even really that powdery. I mean, look at that. So that's pretty good. Just going to, I mean, why not have more blush on? Won't hurt. Oh, this is really pretty. Like I said, I know. Like I have the sunburn. But I just wanted to say, you cannot have too much blush. All right, so that's that. So I'm definitely excited to get that. All right, and the last product is this Black Volume Cream Water Caping System. I have no idea what that is. So it looks like I got more skincare this month. It says Neogen Code 9 creates highly effective products targeted to treat your skin's concern. Made with 119 natural ingredients, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid, this oil-free gel-like moisturizer plumps, hydrates, and gives your skin a natural, healthy glow. Tip: Morning and night, apply pea-sized dots to your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin, and massage into your skin. And right here, I don't know if you can see, it has like, it must be like black. Let's see what it looks like. Let me open this puppy up. So it has a safety seal on it, which is good. Okay, let me take a lot out. It's not really filled, I can tell. It's like quite empty. Okay, so if you guys can see, it does have like a little black tint. Ooh, right there. I don't know if you can see these lights. Can you see that? So I just wasted most of it. Let me take that off before I get it on my shirt. I was just curious to see if the picture was right. Let me take that off. All right, so let's recap what I got in my bag and see how they got it right. All right, so we have this really pretty peachy blush shade right there. That's the only makeup product I got. I only got one makeup product. Now, I did get a brush, so it's a tool, which I love getting tools. So I'm not knocking that, but that will go to one of you guys. So then we have this jelly cleanser, which is good. We have this cream right there, which I'm really interested in trying that. And then we have this Hey Honey Recovery Mask. So that is in my 42-year-old profile. So I guess it does because I put on there that I don't mind skincare or anything like that. But I wish I got maybe one less skincare product and one more makeup. You know what I mean? All right, but I'm not complaining. It's pretty good. All right, so this would be my 25-year-old profile, which I am red hair, brown eyes, light complected, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. All right, there's something else in there. All right, so I believe I had an add-on. Yeah, I added this on. So this is the Gimme Brow and light brown to make sure. Yeah, natural light brown. My eyes are dark, but sometimes I go a little bit too dark. So I figure if I had a lighter color, it might lighten up, you know, a little bit. All right, so again, is it the same Tetris brush? Yup. So this will go into another giveaway so you don't get two of the same things. All right, and then we have a blue bag right there. And then this is the shape right there. So you could change it around all different ways. So let's match this up. So if you don't know, so this is Tetris. So then what you would do is you would kind of like do the block like this. You would turn it around and see how this block goes like that, if you can see. That's kind of what you would do in Tetris. All right. So we got that brush. That's one product. All right. Let's pull this puppy out so we know. Oh, hold on. Hold the phone. All right. So the first thing I got is by IPSY. This is a Glow Mud Cleanser, and I love IPSY products. I've never tried this, but that's good. Then I got this Sweet Talk Recovery Mask. So this will go into a giveaway since I already got that in the first bag. All right, so this is an Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. Now, I do have this, so actually this will go into a giveaway. Let's read up on this one because I already have a sample of this in a previous one. So this says, help your makeup last longer and look better. This oil-free primer combines the power of super hydrating hyaluronic acid, soothing collateral oatmeal, and light diffusing micro pearls to nourish and brighten your skin and lock your look in place. All right, so that will go to one of you guys. And last but not least, this is from Laneige. Oh, I love this. This is a Water Bank Moisture Cream. I will definitely keep that for myself. This is really, really nice. See how big it is. All right, so there we go. All right, I'm definitely excited to get that. So let's recap what we got in the 25-year-old profile. So we got this moisturizer right there. This is really good stuff. We got this IPSY Glow Cleanser. We got the First Aid Primer. What else? We got the brush. And what else did we get? Oh, and we got the Hey Honey mask. So basically, that was all skincare. Except for the tool. There was not one makeup product. So I don't know if that would go with the profile. Well, I mean, I do say I'm not comfortable with makeup, but I don't put on there, I don't want any makeup. So let me know in the comments below, do you think they went by this profile? Because I said I'm not comfortable with makeup, but I think it should be at least one makeup product, right? I don't know if they're considered the tool. Well, I really don't know. So I'm puzzled about that. This Gimme Brow I did add as an add-on for $3. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this? Do you think they went by profile? Do you think not? If my opinion, I think both bags went for the 25-year-old profile because there were more skincare products. The first one, you had a blush and you had a eye blending thingy, but that's it. Do you know what I mean? I'm really surprised that I didn't really get any makeup this month. I don't know. You let me know, but that's all right. It is more for you guys, but I love IPSY. For $10, you can't beat this, though. Like, I am really satisfied every month what I get. I may not be like, there may be months that are better than others, but I'm never, like, disappointed because for $10, you do get a lot that you get to try. I mean, the brushes, I love getting blending brushes, so I can't complain, you know. So, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. What did you think? What did you get? Let me know. And yeah. That's all. Let me know how your day is going. I lost my whole train of thought. Don't forget about those giveaways that I have. And please like this video. It helps me out. Leave a comment. Let me know how your day was, what you think of IPSY, everything. I'm repeating myself. All right, I'm going to stop now. All right, guys, I love you. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.